with like the New York Times article and stuff. You know, it's.
What's the New York Times article?
The one that it was in the New York Times today. I guess you did with Maggie Haberman, or they wrote about you. It sounds a little like obviously that there's something you got in the back pocket to pull out. Clearly, if you come on board the campaign, like we gotta.
Oh God, no.
Everybody's positive, right? And so the only thing that we have to consider when we're talking salary as far as the campaign is concerned is that, as you know, everything is public. And all the money that we raise and that pays salaries is directly from donors, small dollar donors for the most part. So I know you were making $179 at the White House. And I think we could work something out where we keep you right along those lines. Specifically, let me see, I haven't even added up the numbers, but we were talking about like $15K a month. Let me see what that adds up to. 12. Yeah, so that's $180,000. Does that sound like a fair deal for you? In terms of your position specifically, I really feel like your position would require, you to be able to be flexible in terms of where you are. Sometimes, come to New York for occasional meetings, but I would love if you could, occasionally go do speaking engagements and that sort of thing for us. I think you'd be awesome doing that. And so it doesn't really matter where you are. If you're comfortable staying in D.C., then, we're more than happy to have you.
We should point out here, no response so far from Lara Trump or the Trump campaign. We have reached out for a comment. We'll talk about the content of the tape in just a moment. But first of all, why give us those 4 selected clips and not just play out the entire conversation for people who are watching or listening who might be thinking you're hiding something?
Well, first of all, I played the full entire conversation for your producers because that was important for them to verify. But I really wanted to undergird everything that's in this book. Everything you see in quotations can be verified, has been corroborated, and is documented. And these clips